Hi, to add a home button on your iPhone 13, we would need to go in the settings first and here find the accessibility tab and then go in the touch section. So now we are interested in the first section, which is Assistive Touch. As a first step, enable it by tapping on the switcher, and now you can see this floating button which you can drag anywhere across the screen. So to use it, simply tap it and you will see all of its features. You can go home with the help of this button. You can trigger the notification center, the control center, you can use Siri, you can go in the device here, you can volume up, volume down, unmute, and so on. You can go in the more and check more features for the button, and also we can return back in its settings and we can customize it. For that, let's customize the level menu first. Here we can remove some of the icons or we can add new one. Just tap on the plus and add, for example, front camera. Tap the done and you will have front camera now in this list. If you messed up, you can easily reset everything to its defaults and it will be back to normal. Also, for the custom actions, you can set single tap first. So with the help of single tap, we are opening its menu now, but you can use any other feature from the list. For double tap, we can select to open camera, for example. Let's test it. And now the camera opens. So let's go back, and for the long press, we can select to open, to take a screenshot, for example. Let's long press the button, and now the screenshot is taken. Also, we can create new gestures here, so you can tap or swipe to create a custom gesture. You can change its opacity by dragging the slider left to make it almost invisible or right to make it more visible. Now, after that, you can also enable the sound on click, always show menu, perform text gestures, use game controller. Here you can just change the tracking sensitivity and you can enable draw control. And here you can also customize the left settings. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.